I got a new one for you. Tyree. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry about that. Joey the rat. Joey the crybaby. Joey the pigeon. Sneeze. Bro. You sound so pathetic and weak. It's too easy to talk about. You are such a coward, pussy. You on here talking about putting hands on people. The last time you did it, you told him off and his mom. But you're on here talking about, please stop calling my inbox and saying stuff about me. Please don't do it no more. Please don't do it no more. Let other people say nice things. Did you care when you were bashing our race? African American, Puerto Rican, Jewish? Did you care then? Were you worried about it then? No. You was having fun with it. Having great fun with it. But now, your butt is being called out. I am not going to stop. I will never stop. Bro, you literally just said, and I quote, I am a 30-year-old kid. A 30-year-old kid. A 30-year-old kid. Then you topped it off with, that person you said was the devil. He was the devil. He's the devil. He's this, he's that. But you literally just said God did it too. I've read in the Bible. He said he was a kid all his life. Man, what the F did you? Don't do that no more, bro. Don't mention that ever again. Bro, are you that dumb? Or are you just dumb? So that was you said, and I quote, God said he was a kid all his life. I want to stay a kid because I'm a kid. Bro. Sorry to bust your little bubble. But you still will get whooped like a grown man. Because I'm going to whoop you like a grown man, bro. You keep calling me out, too. And you know you ain't calling me out. Because you talking about you want to talk. Ain't nobody trying to talk to you. I am going to crush you, bro. I am going to continue to crush you. You want to know why, Buttercup? Yeah, oh yeah, you a Buttercup. It's because you deserve it. You deserve it. You're going to get it. And I'm going to keep giving it to you until you beg for me to stop. And then, I'm going to say to you, did you apologize yet? No? Well, I'm still going to whoop you then. And whoop you some more. I'm going to still continue to whoop you. Because you deserve it. Nobody in this world don't deserve it more than you do. You're a liar. You'll say anything to get people off your back. And then as soon as you get people off your back, you'll hurry up and say something jacked up, ignorant to them. That's what you do. Sneeze. You're a pussy, bro. You're a pussy to the third degree.
Your appointment is at 3, not 2:15, so make sure you're ready.
So, I am telling you this, bro.
Huh?
I am going to continue to whoop you, bro. Go in the bathroom, something. I'm going to continue to whoop you, bro, and whoop you good, because you deserve it more than anybody on this planet. You ain't nothing but a pathological liar. Liar, bro. That's all you are. And then you pathetic weasel that can't fight at all. Bro, at all. And how many times have I asked you? How many times have I asked you, bro? Put up or shut up. How many times? I said, let's fight for some money. We can fight anywhere you want to fight, bro. Anywhere. Except your little boyfriend, David Duke. I can't go there, bro. I know that's y'all hang out and stuff, but I can't do it, bro. I can't, because, you know, it's a little too easy for you. You know, having a home field advantage. Yeah, I can't do that, bro. But I said, and I quote, we can meet anywhere else. Anywhere else. No respond, but now you on here faking it, telling everybody that if you see me, you go slap me, right? See, the difference between me and you, Buttercup, is I'm not tiptoeing around saying this or saying that. I'm coming straight to you, bro. Straight to you. And my name is Keith. You're not getting the last name. You ain't man enough for that. And I'm going to continue to piss when I'm talking to you. Because when I see you, I'm going to piss all over you. Yeah, you will be R. Kelly part 2. But you could be the one getting pissed on. Trust me, bro. You're going to feel everything because you know what? You thought it was all giggles when you was being racist and telling everybody, he's an N. That's right. He is the N-word, the nigga, you know what I mean? Just said it. And you looking disgusting, chewing your little food, whatever you was. So, were you asking for forgiveness then? Like, oh my God. Like, oh my God. Can somebody please say sorry. I just like to talk. Please. I'm sorry. I just want other people to call in. I want other people to call in and talk. And once again, bro, you have no fans. You have no life. You have no, literally, no fan base whatsoever other than 2 to 3 people. And last time I checked, I don't think that's not a good fan base, bro. I mean, wow. You said you got all these companies, CEO this, CEO that. But you still only have 2 to 3 fans. I mean, more CEO gigs you gonna sign yourself up for. What? You can be the CEO of bagofdicks.com. You could be that, man. You could be pretty good at that too, bro. Cause you are about as smart as them, bro. Hey, should ever say you ain't trying something. You know what I mean? Cannot believe, bro, you try to tough talk and you literally is scared to be a man, scared to be an adult. I have never seen anybody ever beg for people not to say he's a grown man. You are 30, bro. Oh, but when you talking tough and you got your little pocket change, what's your exact words are to people? I'm a grown man, dog. I'm a grown man. I'm a grown man. You better see me before you get hurt. You know, y'all mad, ain't you? Y'all mad, ain't you? Y'all mad pulling out your little money. And bro, that little money you showing, that's fake, bro. That's fake. Because you haven't counted it one time. You've been showing it. And I know it's even, you want to know why? I figured that it was fake. I figured out because
You know you have to drink a bunch of water and not pee.
Dadahead, you had a $5 bill and one's behind
Starting now, drink a ton of water and don't go
the $5 bill. Yeah, one's behind it. So you mean to tell me that you had so much money that you had to stick, you had to literally, bro, literally say, I'm a thug. I'm a thug and I got money. I got money and I got stacks in my pocket, but you literally sticks $1 bill behind a $5 bill. Bro. God. You are so pathetic that you literally thought you was pulling that off. That is the ugliest looking stack of money I have ever seen in my life. You won't count that thing in front of nobody. You would literally leave that thing like that. And somebody said, count it. All of a sudden, though, you can't count it now. You can't count them no more. See, gutter rat. You tell on yourself, bro. You tell on yourself. You can't go one day, man, every time you see a camera, you pull out your money and count it. And then belittle people behind it doing it. Like, look at y'all. Y'all mad. See, I know how to do this out here. See, you know what I mean? I know how to do this out here. You gotta know how to move. You know what I mean? You gotta keep making money, you know? That's how I am. I gotta keep making money. You know what I mean? I mean, bro, you truly have never experienced you just like, bro, you would experience something like when you finally get caught or something, bro. I'm just gonna warn you, bro, you are going to like get the full throttle of it. Cause you are just so ignorant with it. For real. And I guarantee this, man. Mark it down. Record it. But I guarantee I bet any amount of money we'll see a whole different loser. If you get any little money. He could be up at 5:30 in the morning on YouTube. Yeah, I just seen anybody was up. Yeah, just got my stacks. It could be like $90. You be like, I got my stacks. So, bro, I'm gonna leave you with this, man. I'm never stopping. If you want this to stop, you better apologize. You better apologize. Because if you don't, I'm gonna keep going. So, it's truly up to you, bro.